All right, I want to share with you something I discovered in relation to electroculture gardening. Um, when I was taught this initially, the person teaching told me to wrap my antennas clockwise with the copper wire, which I did. And then I heard some people questioning that, saying that it's supposed to be counterclockwise, and that they were intentionally telling people the wrong way to make it difficult for them to grow food or whatever. So I started thinking about it. Then I was thinking, well, we're in the northern hemisphere, and if you look down on the Earth from the North Pole, it's going counterclockwise, which gives it a north pole, a negative north pole. And then we want more electrons in the body into our food and stuff, and electrons have a negative polarity. So negative is north, which is counterclockwise. And then the Coriolis effect, how water goes down the drain in the northern hemisphere counterclockwise, and in the southern hemisphere goes clockwise down the drain. And the way storms spin off the equator from the Coriolis effect, like counterclockwise hurricane formation, and then it's clockwise in the southern hemisphere. So that's the Coriolis effect. So it all matches when you consider all that with counterclockwise. So I wrapped one clockwise and one counterclockwise. What we're going to do is muscle test. So we're going to use Alan, and he's going to hold his arm up for me. I'm going to sit these here, elbow straight, push up strong. Okay, he's very strong. Now I'm going to have him just hold this and push up real strong, and you can't lock. This is the clockwise one. It actually weakens him. And I give him the counterclockwise one, and elbow straight, push up strong, and push up, and he's very strong.
How do you know it's clockwise and counterclockwise from looking at it? And you can show us.
Well, if you trace it, this one's going counterclockwise as it goes down.
Okay.
Right? And this one goes clockwise as it goes down. Clockwise is positive polarity. Counterclockwise is negative polarity. So, once again, hold strong. He's very strong in the clear. If I just touch him with this, push up, elbow straight. See, he goes weak. Then you have to hold it, push up, and this makes him very strong. So I've rewrapped all my antennas in my electroculture setup, and things seem like they're doing better. You might want to try this yourself. I just wanted to share this because I think it's significant. I don't want to give them energy that weakens me. I want to give them energy that makes me strong. Give that to my plants. So try this yourself and see what happens. Thank you for watching.